Will making changes to Social Security with Social Security cause me to put my disability case under review? I cannot stress this enough. The way the Social Security regulations works is this: you have an ongoing duty to prove you're disabled. Okay, plain and simple. You have an ongoing duty. A lot of times, people will ask me questions. I'm pretty sure other representatives at the same thing. We'll get asked questions, which routinely I tell people, well, that's really a question you need to ask Social Security. And I told people flat out, I know why you're asking me. You're asking me because by asking me, you're thinking, I can answer this question for you because by asking Social Security, I may be putting myself under review. I've had people argue, oh, no, it's not, because they're busy. And I'm like, but pause on this for a second. This is going to sound self-serving, so please forgive me. You've got a government agency that's responsible for processing your claim. I mean, they're responsible for your program, which means they're also responsible for educating you and providing you information for free. But then you want to go to someone who basically charges for their services in the hopes that they might give you some free information when you have an agency that can give you that information for free already. But the reality is that I tell people, listen, I'm not trying to be nasty. I know why you're asking me this. You're asking me this because you're concerned that if you bring this to the attention of Social Security, it may put you under review. Here's the thing that you need to be aware of. First of all, some things Social Security is going to find out anyway. So if you're working part-time and you're thinking, well, if I keep working part-time, it's going to be a problem. If you're reporting those earnings are being alerted to Social Security anyway. So that's the first thing. Second of all, you're always in a position to be under review. So never think just because you're keeping information from them that they may not find some other reason to review you. They could look at your condition and say, this is a condition that we believe should improve within 6 months. Or should improve within 12 months. And we can do the review now. So keep that in the back of your mind. Social Security is really there if you're getting disability benefits and you want to know whether or not something that's going on in your life may impact those benefits. Contact them, because this is what will happen. If it's something you're supposed to let them know and you choose not to and they find out later and they paid you during months that they shouldn't have paid you, guess what you're going to get hit with? An overpayment. And then all of a sudden, not only your benefits stop, and they're going to take their money back. Possibly. I always tell people the government is in the position of providing you the information you need. Don't treat them as the enemy in this instance. Most people, they've gone through 1 year to 2 years to get their disability benefits and they don't want to do anything to jeopardize them. I get that, all right? But take it upon yourself to use them as the resource that they are. Once you get disability benefits, they are there to provide you with resources so that you can make informed decisions about your situation. And more importantly, you can give them information that may be necessary because it might be information that may impact your case and your benefits. You don't want to do anything that puts yourself in peril, because I know that's probably why you don't want to call them. But at the same instance, you want to make informed decisions and you want to make sure they have the information to be able to give you the information you need in order to make an informed decision.
Tune in tomorrow when we talk about why is knowing what Social Security office that handles your case is important.